These Cambodian fans hosting the games for the first time. Hosted the Southeast Asian age group champs, of course, this arena. But this is totally different altogether in terms of the standards of swimming and the times that they have been witnessing. So a reminder of the lane assignments again. Faith Khoo of Singapore in lane 1, Bonnie Yeo of Singapore in lane 2. This letter, the defending champion, former Arizona State swimmer in lane 3. XIANDI CHUA of the Philippines, the 21-year-old in lane 4. Phon Prayamswan of Thailand in 5. Azara Pamatahani of Indonesia, perhaps the dark horse and the outside smoke coming in lane number 6. Astrid Dirksvager of Laos in 7. Ariana Dirksvager of Laos in lane number 8. And it's a strong start already from XIANDI CHUA. He usually takes this one out very strong, followed very closely by Phon Prayamswan of Thailand, and then Chloe Isleta. And that is magnificent, isn't it, Roanne? Chloe Isleta and her underwaters, and that super, almost perfect breakout.
No, we saw that this morning. She has really great technical skills. I think it's only in the swim where she gets caught by XIANDI, but as we saw this morning, she was taking it slow, so I think she'll be showing some moves tonight.
And a great move being put on as well in lane number 1 by Faith Khoo in Singapore, currently in 3rd position. XIANDI just creeping up half a body length ahead, but watch Chloe's turn here yet again. It was a feature at the last games, and every time she surfaces, look at that, she's almost ahead. Everything is done underwater for Isleta. Yet again, she's using her strength off the turns, and that's what happens when you spend about 4 or 5 years swimming for Arizona State and swimming in the 25-yard pools, when you're just doing turn after turn in short course meets. But XIANDI CHUA usually pulls away in the middle of the pool, and that she has done. In fact, she's taken a half a body length into a body length, a full body length, heading into the final 50 meters now. Isleta hoping that her underwaters will give her an opportunity to attack in the final 25. She surfaces this time, doesn't have that same amount of sugar and strength as she did, and XIANDI CHUA looks very, very strong. It's going to be a tough ask for the defending champion to catch up now and take over from XIANDI CHUA. There's going to be a new SEA Games champion. The good news is that the gold medal will stay with the Philippines. Just a different swimmer to wear the crown. This time, the new national record holder is the new SEA Games champion in the 200 meters backstroke. XIANDI CHUA winning it over Chloe Isleta, and in 3rd place, Phon Prayamswan of Thailand. Singaporeans just touching home. I'd love to see the time of Faith Khoo. I'm sure it's going to be a personal best for her. It was good enough after the halfway stage to be in 3rd place, but probably is just finished in 5th. And Isleta, as happy as she is that the gold medal has stayed in the Philippines, that she is 3.74 seconds behind XIANDI CHUA. And that is the time. That is an amazing quick time for XIANDI CHUA. She's cracked her national record almost by a good 2 seconds.
I think that time also lands her with the Asian Games A qualifying, so we'll see her again at the Asian Games.
Well, where do you think this race was won, Roanne? I mean, the turns were superb by Isleta, but it was so very well judged by XIANDI.